Bonjour. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Map to create a travel map. So first thing to do for you is to go to your Google Drive. And the advantage to use Google Drive is that your map is going to be automatically saved in your drive. All right, so click on the new button that you see on the upper left side of your screen and go down to More and then click on Google My Map. I suggest you to have a list of the attraction that you want to do to visit every day, each day that you plan to spend in the city that you have chosen, plus the list of the restaurant and the name of the hotel. So I'm going to use Paris for this example. So the hotel I selected is Hotel Gustave in Paris. Hotel Gustave. So you type in on the search space that you have on the screen on the Google Map, Google My Map, I mean. And when you select the hotel, it shows on the left side. All right, you see that plus button, so you click on that. So by clicking on that, it adds the hotel as a starting point, because normally you leave your hotel to go to visit the different attraction, and after your visit you go back to the hotel. So I plan for this example to visit Musée du Louvre, Arc de Triomphe, Eiffel Tower, and go back to the hotel. All right, so I added Hotel Gustave as my starting point. So from there, I'm going to add directions. So the direction could be drawn on the screen. So my first destination after the hotel is Musée du Louvre. Right? So you type the museum on the search bar, as you see on the screen, on the search space, I mean, as you see on the screen, and Musée du Louvre. So you see direction is drawn on the screen on the map, and I plan to spend a few hours in Musée du Louvre, then go to see Arc de Triomphe. Arc de Triomphe. All right, so when I type it after adding destination, I see my destination C on the screen on the map, and from there I look online I selected Le Maréchaux, which is a restaurant that's close to Arc de Triomphe. So from Arc de Triomphe, I can walk on the Champs-Élysées. I can actually eat at the restaurant, and the one that I selected is called, its name Le Maréchaux. So you just type it on the search, space, Maréchaux. If your name is accurate, you should see it on the screen here. All right. So make sure you have two Le Maréchaux. I'm going to use the one in Paris then. Le Maréchaux in Paris, and it's close to Arc de Triomphe. And from the restaurant, I will go to Eiffel Tower. This is just an example, La Tour Eiffel, Eiffel Tower. And from Eiffel Tower, I will plan to go back to the hotel. So type Hotel Gustave. So for each destination, you click Add Destination, okay? And you put Hotel Gustave Paris. Okay, Hotel Gustave. All right. All right, so the map is completed. Okay, it's quite off. Let's see. All right, so you have your map done, and you can either take a screenshot of that, but as I said, it is automatically saved in your Google Drive. All right, so you can name your map. I'm gonna call it First Day in Paris. Okay, so in French, Premier Jour à Paris, and that's all. So you save it. You want to add the description, it's up to you. It's not necessary, but you can do that. So it's done. It's automatically saved. It's right here in your Google Drive. If you refresh your screen, you'll be able to see it, and then you can share it just like any Google document. If you want people to see it, you need to share the document. Okay, so thank you for watching, and that's all.